Imagine waking up to an unexpected fortune. Money is flowing into your life at the most unexpected times. What if I told you that according to Nostradamus, the legendary prophet, there are 4 specific zodiac signs that will experience a huge financial blessing before April is out? Could your zodiac sign be one of the chosen ones? The stars have aligned and the universe is sending powerful signals of wealth and abundance. But why just these 4 signs? What cosmic forces are at work? Stay tuned as we reveal if your zodiac sign is among those destined to win millions before the end of this month. For centuries, Nostradamus has fascinated the world with his mysterious, yet surprisingly accurate predictions. From major global events to personal fortunes, his prophecies continue to shape beliefs about fate and destiny. But what if his visions included something even more amazing, a prediction of sudden wealth for a few specific zodiac signs? As April draws to a close, cosmic forces are in motion. And according to Nostradamus' ancient prophecy, there are 4 zodiac signs on the verge of extraordinary financial success. Whether it's an unexpected business opportunity, a super lucky lottery win, or an unexpected inheritance, these signs are set for immense wealth. But why just these 4 signs? Is it engraved in the stars, or is there a deeper astrological force guiding their fortune? Stay with us as we reveal the secrets behind Nostradamus' vision and find out if your zodiac sign is among the lucky ones destined to win millions before the end of April. The mystery behind Nostradamus' wealth predictions. Throughout history, Nostradamus has been recognized as one of the most mysterious and influential prophets. His mysterious cathartics have warned of major global events, from the rise of powerful leaders to economic changes that have shaped civilizations. But beyond politics and war, Nostradamus also spoke of immense wealth. A sudden wealth that would be bestowed upon a select few by the unseen hand of the universe. But how does Nostradamus' prediction relate to financial success on April 2, 5? Many believe that his predictions are connected to astrological cycles where the movements of the planets influence the rise and fall of fortune. According to ancient astrologers, celestial bodies, especially Jupiter, the planet of abundance, and Venus, the ruler of luck and wealth, can dictate financial success. And now these planets are aligning in a way that indicates a life-changing transformation for 4 distinct zodiac signs. These signs were not chosen at random. Nostradamus' writings indicate that certain individuals are cosmically destined to experience extraordinary luck at certain times. Whether it's through an unexpected lottery win, a rapid business growth, or a surprising financial windfall, these zodiac signs are on the verge of a common opportunity. But which of the 4 signs did Nostradamus see as the biggest winners before the end of April? Could you be one of those destined to become rich unexpectedly? Brace yourself as we reveal the first lucky zodiac sign and the cosmic forces that are driving them towards wealth. The first lucky zodiac sign. Aries is the first zodiac sign that Nostradamus predicted would experience a huge financial breakthrough before the end of April is Aries. If you were born between April 21st and April 19th, get ready because the universe has big plans for you. Why Aries? The cosmic forces behind their wealth. Aries is ruled by Mars, the planet of action, ambition, and courage. This sign is known for their fierce determination. They don't give up on any challenge. According to Nostradamus' prophecies, on April 2nd, 25, there will be a unique planetary shift where Aries will perfectly align with Jupiter, the planet of abundance. Because of this connection, the doors will open for unexpected income, lucky opportunities, and sudden wealth. How will this wealth come? Let's look at a story that describes the sudden luck that Aries can experience before the end of April. The story of Aries' sudden wealth is about Daniel, a 32-year-old Aries entrepreneur who has been struggling with his startup for a long time. He had a good idea, but due to financial problems and a lack of investors, his business slowed down. He almost gave up when suddenly an unexpected investor came forward. It so happened that a large company was interested in his startup. A deal worth millions. Daniel did not know that behind the scenes, his name had been discussed with well-known investors for a long time. After the contract was signed, his life changed overnight. From extreme hardship, it became a huge opportunity. The same thing could happen to many Aries before the end of April. It could be a big boost in business, a job promotion, or an unexpected lottery win. Signs that Aries will experience wealth before the end of April are a sudden job promotion or salary increase. If you have been waiting for recognition at work for a long time, now is the right time. Your bosses have noticed your hard work. Unexpected business opportunities. Entrepreneurs and freelancers may experience rapid growth in their projects. Surprise financial gifts or lottery wins. Aries luck is at its peak, so don't miss the opportunity. New partnerships or investors. For those in business, investments, or real estate, an investor or business partner may suddenly arrive. What should Aries do to further strengthen their luck? Be brave in taking risks. Aries is naturally brave. So this is the right time to try a new business or investment. Be open to sudden opportunities. If there is a business deal, job offer, or investment tip, don't ignore it. Trust your intuition. According to the predictions, Aries will have a stronger sense of right decision. Follow your gut. Use wealth wisely. If a financial windfall suddenly comes, use it wisely. Real estate, stocks, or a new business could be the best option. Aries, this is your chance. The universe is on your side. So if there is ever a time to chase wealth and success, it is now. But Aries is just one of the 4 lucky zodiac signs predicted by Nostradamus. Who is the next one set to become rich before the end of April? Stay with us as we reveal the second lucky zodiac sign that will experience an incredible financial breakthrough. The second lucky zodiac sign is Taurus. The second zodiac sign that Nostradamus predicted will experience a major financial transformation before the end of April is Taurus. If you were born between April and May, get ready because an incredible journey awaits you. The universe is converging to bring you unexpected wealth, extraordinary financial opportunities, and a solid foundation for long-term prosperity. Why Taurus? The astrological forces behind their wealth. Taurus is ruled by Venus, the planet of money, luxury, and abundance. Tauruses are known for their natural ability to attract wealth. But according to Nostradamus' predictions, April 2nd and 5th will be the turning point for them. This month Jupiter, the planet of growth and abundance, will form a powerful connection with Taurus ruling planet Venus. This rare cosmic alignment is a sign that Taurus may experience a sudden and major financial blessing. Whether it is through a successful investment, a huge job opportunity, or an unexpected financial blessing. But to better illustrate this, here is a story of how a Taurus sudden wealth can happen before the end of April. The story of a Taurus unexpected wealth. Meet Sophia, a 4-year-old Taurus who has been working as a real estate agent for a long time. She had built her reputation over the years. But recently the market has been sluggish and she has started to worry about her finances. She was almost giving up hope until an incredible event happened. A wealthy client she had worked with before suddenly approached her and wanted to buy multiple luxury properties. All at once. The total value of the deal reached millions, and her commission from the sale was enough to give her financial freedom. In an instant, Sophia's life changed. And according to Nostradamus' prophecy, many Tauruses will experience the same extraordinary financial success before the end of April. Signs that Taurus will have wealth. Before the end of April, a sudden career boost. An unexpected promotion, salary increase, or new job opportunity that can increase your income. Success in real estate or investment. Property deals, stock market investments, or crypto ventures can provide big profits. Receiving a large financial gift or inheritance. Money from unexpected sources such as family, legal agreements, or long overdue investments may arrive. New business partnerships. Entrepreneurs and freelancers may find big clients, investors, or high-paying contracts, luck in the lottery, or gambling. Although Taurus does not often gamble, this may be the right time for a sudden financial blessing. What should Taurus do to make the most of their luck? Make smart financial decisions. Sudden cash flows are powerful, but it is more important to use them correctly. Be open to big opportunities. If an offer or deal comes your way, don't hesitate. This is your moment. Invest for long-term wealth. Taurus loves stability. So consider putting money in real estate, stocks, or savings that will grow over time. Be alert for unexpected surprises. According to Nostradamus' predictions, Taurus luck will come from unexpected sources. Taurus, this is your chance. The stars are aligned for you. And according to Nostradamus' predictions, before the end of April, you could experience an extraordinary financial blessing. But Taurus isn't the only one who will be lucky this month. 2 more zodiac signs are about to experience immense wealth before the end of April. Will your zodiac sign be among them? Stay tuned to find out the third lucky zodiac sign. The third zodiac sign that Nostradamus predicted to experience immense financial success before the end of April is Leo. If you were born between July 23rd and August 22nd, get ready because the universe will bring you wealth, success, and unexpected luck. Why Leo? The cosmic forces behind their wealth. Leo is ruled by the sun, the source of power, energy, and prosperity. Leos are known as natural leaders with a magnetic personality. They easily attract opportunities. They excel in the spotlight and have a unique ability to turn their talent into success. According to Nostradamus' ancient prophecies, April 2, 25 will be the turning point in Leo's financial destiny. Jupiter, the planet of growth and luck, aligns with the sun, creating a rare cosmic shift that will bring unexpected income, job promotions, or sudden success in business and investments. But how will this happen? Let's take a look at a story that shows how Leo's wealth can arrive this April. The story of a Leo's sudden wealth meets Jake, a 28-year-old Leo who has long dreamed of becoming famous in the entertainment industry. He has talent, confidence, and charisma. But despite his efforts, his career progress has been slow. One day, a talent agent suddenly approaches him. He finds out that a video he posted a few months ago has suddenly gone viral. Because of this, a big production company wants to hire him for a big budget movie. Not only did he get a big contract, but endorsements, sponsorships, and collaborations from various brands started coming in. In an instant, his life changed. From a struggling artist, he is now a millionaire with unlimited opportunities ahead. This is exactly the kind of unexpected financial breakthrough that many Leos could experience before the end of April. Whether it is a big career break, a game-changing business deal, or a lucky investment, Leo's financial fate is about to change. Signs that Leo will have wealth before the end of April. Major career breakthrough. Leos working in entertainment, media, business, or leadership roles will experience a major boost. Sudden recognition or viral success. Online creators, influencers, and entrepreneurs may have unexpected fame that will bring in income. A life-changing business deal. Leo entrepreneurs may find big investors, partnerships, or sponsorships. Unexpected financial blessing or windfall. Leo may receive a bonus, inheritance, lottery win, or money from an unexpected source. Opportunity to expand their brand or business. This is the best time for Leo to take a gamble on big projects. What should Leos do to make the most of their luck? Step out into the spotlight. Leos excel when they showcase their talent. If an opportunity presents itself, don't hesitate. Take it. Take bold financial steps. This is the right time to invest in a new project. Launch a business or expand your brand. Network and collaborate. The right connections will open the door to greater income and success. Be open to surprises. According to Nostradamus' prediction, Leo's wealth will come from unexpected sources. Leo, this is your chance. The universe is aligned for you. And according to Nostradamus' vision, before the end of April, you could experience an extraordinary financial breakthrough. But Leo is not the only one who will be lucky this month. One more zodiac sign is about to experience immense wealth before the end of April. Will your zodiac sign be among them? Stay with us to find out the last lucky zodiac sign. Scorpio. The last zodiac sign that Nostradamus predicted to experience a life-changing financial breakthrough before the end of April is Scorpio. If you were born between October 23rd and November 21st, get ready because the universe is working to bring you unexpected wealth, financial success, and powerful opportunities. Why Scorpio? The astrological forces behind their wealth. Scorpio is ruled by Pluto, the planet of transformation and hidden wealth, and by Mars, the planet of action and ambition. Because of this dual influence, Scorpio is one of the most resourceful, strategic, and intelligent zodiac signs when it comes to money. According to Nostradamus' ancient predictions, April 2nd, 25 is a crucial month for Scorpio's financial fortune. A rare alignment between Pluto and Jupiter, the planet of expansion and abundance, indicates that Scorpio will discover a new source of income, find a secret opportunity, or receive unexpected wealth before the end of the month. But how exactly will this sudden wealth happen? Here is a story to illustrate how Nostradamus' prediction for Scorpio could come true. The story of a Scorpio's unexpected wealth meets Emma. a 35-year-old Scorpio who is always cautious when it comes to money. She has worked in the finance sector for a long time. But despite her financial knowledge, she has never taken a big risk with her money. One day, while doing research, she came across a rare investment opportunity that few people know about. She had a strong feeling that she should try it. After careful analysis, she decided to put part of her savings into a promising, but little-known stock. Just a few weeks later, the stock's value suddenly increased and her small investment turned into a multimillion-dollar profit. Emma's story is just one example of how Scorpio can experience a major financial breakthrough before the end of April. Whether it is through smart investments, business expansion, unexpected inheritance, or winning a legal case, Scorpio is entering a powerful period of prosperity. Signs that Scorpio will have wealth. Before the end of April, a hidden financial opportunity will be discovered. An overlooked investment, venture, or career opportunity will suddenly appear. Big profits from smart planning. Smart risks in business, stocks, or crypto can lead to unexpected wealth. Receiving an inheritance or settlement in a legal matter. Long-awaited or unexpected money may arrive. Business expansion or promotion at work. Scorpios in business or leadership positions will see big financial rewards. Winning the lottery, sweepstakes, or a financial prize. Scorpios' strong intuition can lead them to an expected win. What should Scorpios do to make the most of their luck? Trust your instincts. Scorpios' intuition is their most powerful weapon. If you sense a good opportunity is in front of you, seize it. Look for hidden opportunities. The best income for Scorpio will come from unusual sources of wealth. Practice smart risk-taking. Whether it's in business, investing, or career, this is the right time to be bold but strategic. Be observant and persistent. Scorpios are masters of long-term financial planning. Wealth is coming. Be ready to receive it. Scorpio, your financial breakthrough is coming. The universe is aligned in your favor. And according to Nostradamus' prophecy, before the end of April, you may receive an unexpected fortune. But what does this mean for others? Even if your zodiac sign is not on the list, it's not too late to attract wealth and abundance. Stay with us for the last words on how you can bring yourself closer to financial success. Whatever your zodiac sign is,